Hello dear students of class 8. Very good morning. I hope you all are doing well and doing a study well. Okay dear, here I am going to start the second part of chapter 4, that is energy. First of all, a question in our mind that what is energy? Energy is the capacity to do work. Whatever we do in our day-to-day life, that is work. Okay, in doing that work, what amount of energy we spend, that we do or we able to do that work is only because of we have energy. If we have no energy, we not able to walk smartly, we not able to walk properly. Okay dear, we not able to read a book, we not able to hold a chalk if have no proper energy in our body. Okay, so dear, for walking, for moving, for sleeping, okay, we need energy. What happened to our body when we become sick? Definitely the energy level decreased, dear. Okay, the energy level decreased and we not able to perform any particular type of job. Okay, so it is energy which helps in doing the work. Means energy and work both are related to each other. Without energy you cannot do work. If you are not doing work, definitely you are not spending your energy, dear. Definitely you are not decreasing your energy. It means that energy and work are the parameters of both. We can say that both are head and tail. Okay, if I am saying that I have a lot of energy, how will I express that I have a lot of energy? I will express only by doing what? Job, doing work. Okay, it means you will see my performance in how I am doing work. Okay, then you will say that, sir, oh, you have a nice energy. It means that definitely energy is measured through the work. So the SI unit of energy is also joule. As the SI unit of work is joule, so SI unit of energy is also joule. Dear, the SI unit of energy is also joule, that is represented by J. The bigger unit, that is kilojoule, means 1000 joule. Kilo means 1000. You have to understand it. Keep in mind that kilo means 1000. 1 kilojoule means 1000 joule. Different forms of energy. Dear, energy in our universe, in this universe or in around us lies in different forms, not in the single form. It is lies in different forms. Okay, like sound energy, electrical energy, okay, mechanical energy, okay, solar energy, light energy. These all forms, chemical energy, nuclear energy. These all are the forms of energy. Simply, forms of energy means from the source, from which source it comes out. Okay, for example, mechanical energy. The energy which is possessed by a body due to its motion or state of rest is called as mechanical energy. For example, nuclear energy. The energy derived from or exhaust from, harnessed from the nucleus of an atom is called as nuclear energy. Simply, chemical energy. The energy harnessed from the using chemicals is called as chemical energy. The best example of chemical energy are petrols, diesels. Okay, these all are chemical energy. Okay, thermal energy. The energy which we harness from the heat, okay, by burning coal, is called as thermal energy. So I hope you are able to understand the forms of energy. Okay, so now we will move to, in our syllabus we have to study about one forms of energy, that is mechanical energy. Mechanical energy, the energy possessed by a body due to its motion or a state of rest. Okay, dear, a state of rest or motion is called as mechanical energy. Means if I am holding this chalk here, it has some mechanical energy. If I release it, the chalk will move downward. Okay, it means that this chalk has mechanical energy. When I release, the chalk has kinetic energy due to motion. Okay, so combinedly this chalk have kinetic energy and potential energy, that is called as mechanical energy. Dear, the energy possessed by an object by virtue of its position or a state of motion is called as mechanical energy. Okay, it is due to position or due to a state of motion. You have to just make in your mind that mechanical energy is the energy possessed in a body due to its position and motion. Okay, mechanical energy is mainly divided into two parts, that is kinetic energy and potential energy. Here, kinetic energy, the energy possessed by body by virtue of its motion is called as kinetic energy. Means if a body is in motion, that is moving from changing its position, okay, then the body, we can say that the body has a kinetic energy. For example, a horse running, okay, means a horse has a kinetic energy. Okay, a bullet fired from a pistol means bullet have a kinetic energy. Okay, this all moving a ball, a ball thrown by a student or any of you, it means a ball has a kinetic energy. Because a ball has a motion, means ball has a kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is calculated by the formula half mv square. Dear, half mv square. Just remember it. Half mv square. Half into m for mass and v for velocity of the body. M is the mass of the body, v is the velocity of the body. Means kinetic energy depends on two things, that is mass of the body and velocity of the body. Kinetic energy directly depends on the mass of the body. Okay, if you will increase the mass of the body, the kinetic energy of the body will increase. But if you while kinetic energy depends directly proportional to the square of velocity of the body, because when you increase velocity, okay, 2 times, its kinetic energy increased by 4 times. For example, the square of, if you are increasing velocity by 2 times, the square of this will increase in kinetic energy, that is 4 times kinetic energy will be increased, because kinetic energy depends on a square of velocity of the body, a square of velocity of the body. It means if you are increasing velocity twice, definitely its kinetic energy increased 4 times. Okay, if you will increase velocity by thrice, its kinetic energy will increase by 9 times. Okay, dear. So I hope you understand this kinetic energy. Okay, some examples of moving ball, flowing water, a fired bullet that I have explained. Okay. Now come to the point, potential energy. The energy possessed by the body by virtue of its position or a change in shape is called as potential energy. For example, dear, if I am holding this chalk, okay, it is at some position from the ground. It means it has a potential energy. Dear, this stick, I am bending it. Okay, it has been, its shape has been changed now. This stick shape has been changed. Okay, it means it has some potential energy. How this energy come to these bodies? Because whatever we work do the external force worked on the changing the shape of body, that work becomes its potential energy. It means, dear, if this diary is placed on the table, now I am doing some work on this diary in lifting from table to some height. Okay, I am doing some work. That work done on the diary will become its potential energy. Okay, so whatever is the work done by external force on changing its position becomes its potential energy. Dear, potential energy is basically two types: gravitational potential energy and elastic potential energy. Dear, gravitational potential energy, it is the energy possessed by a body due to its height above the ground, is called as gravitational potential energy. Due to its height above the ground means whatever be the height you move this diary above or lower any body, it means its potential energy will increase or decrease. If you move higher, its potential energy will increase. If you move lower, means if you are lowering the height, decreasing the height, potential energy will decrease. The formula for potential energy is mgh. Dear, m for mass of the body, g is acceleration due to gravity. The value of g is 9.8 meter per second square or approx 10 meter per second square. Here we will use in the numericals this value. Okay, value of g you have to just keep in your mind. Okay, h is the height of the body. Whatever the height from the ground you have moved that object. Okay, that is called as potential energy of the body. mgh. Here, read mgh. Please speak loudly. mgh. M is the mass of the body, g is acceleration due to gravity, and h is the height of the body. Okay, potential energy of a body is equal to mgh. Which type of potential energy? Gravitational potential energy. Okay, dear. So now elastic potential energy, the energy which is what possessed by an object due to its shape and change in configuration is called as elastic potential energy. For example, rubber band, if you just expand it, you have done some work on it, that work will become its potential energy. But spring, bounded spring, you compress it, okay, or you elongate it. In both cases, it has some energy. Okay, that means that which type of energy? That is elastic potential energy. In this stick, as I am doing that, and as I am moving the deforming force, the stick is comparatively as its position. It has a what? Change in shape. Means which type of potential energy? Elastic potential energy. So dear, this has been completed now. I hope there will be no any doubt to this topic for you. In the next class, we will meet you on the next topic. Okay? If you have any doubt, please ask me in the Google Classroom. Okay, bye.